एकदम से.
Okay. So you have studied in 10th standard this way, no real roots. So there are no real roots. हमने ये नहीं बोला no roots, real roots नहीं है. So for this we are actually introducing the complex number system. How are we going to introduce? We define under root minus 1 as I. This is very important. I यहाँ पे I क्या होता है? Iota, right? We are introducing under root minus 1 as I. If we introduce I as under root minus 1, then these type of problems can be easily solved in complex numbers. So you can write this as x square equal to क्या हो जाएगा I square, तो x का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा plus or minus I हो गया, right?
Yes.
Now let's see the general form of the complex number. We always write the complex number using the letter Z equals to A plus IB. This is actually real part of Z. This one is imaginary part of Z, where A and B are, of course, they are real numbers, right? So example, you see, I can write Z is equal to 3 plus 4I. Some people write 3 plus I4, whatever you want. Okay, generally I do write 3 plus 4I. Z1 ले लेते हैं, Z2 let me take it as minus 5 plus root 3I. Is root 3 a real number? Yes, you can write. Okay, so general form of a complex number is given in the form of A plus IB, where A and B are actually real numbers. A we call it as real part and B we call it as the imaginary part. Now, all the real numbers are complex numbers, of course. But the converse is not true. Huh? You can say 5 is a real number. You can write this as 5 plus 0I. So you have converted real number in the form of complex number just by putting 0I. Okay, so all the real numbers you can represent in the form of a complex number. So now you know what is a complex number. Now let us study about how to add, how to subtract, multiplication, division. Let's see one by one. Okay, so first we are going to do addition of complex numbers. This is just like terms are added. So if I'm giving Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 I'm taking it as C plus ID. Let us apply like terms are added, that logic. Using that, real parts will be added and then imaginary parts will be added separately. So in this case, Z1 plus Z2 is given by A plus C plus I times B plus D. Suppose if you have Z1 is equal to minus 3 minus 4I, Z2 equal to minus 7 plus 2I, Z1 plus Z2 is going to be minus 10 minus 2I. That's it. Yes, up to simple, right? Same is the case, you can do the subtraction. How will you subtract? Z1 minus Z2 is going to be equal to minus 3 plus 7 is going to be 4, minus 4 minus 2I is going to be minus 6I. That's it. So addition and subtractions easy like your real numbers, but we do that like terms are added, like we do add real part separately and the imaginary part separately. Is there any difficulty in this part? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. For मैं दूसरा site एक मिनट. Now can you see the paper? Let's see some properties. Properties भी अपने जो real numbers में क्या जैसा ही है. Property number 1 is going to be closure property. Do you know what is closure property? If you add two complex numbers, adding two complex number give you a complex number. वही है, दो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर को ऐड करो या सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, आपको मिलने क्या वाला है? कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर ही मिलने वाला है, राइट? दिस इज सेड टू बी क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी. देन वी आर गोइंग टू सी कम्यूटेटिव. What is commutative? Z1 plus Z2 is going to be equal to Z2 plus Z1. आप A plus numbers में you add 2 plus 3 या 3 plus 2. Answer तो 5 ही होने वाला. Same is the case here. Z1 plus Z2 is going to be Z2 plus Z1. This is going to be commutative. Third is going to be associative. Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is going to be equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Numbers में आप ऐसा करते हैं ना, 3 plus 5 plus 10 is nothing but 3 plus 5 plus 10. This is in real numbers, right? So this 3 plus 15, that is going to be equal to 18. यहाँ पे 8 plus 10, that is also going to be 18 only. Clear? So same way for complex numbers also we can prove the associativity. Then for the fourth one, what is going to be the additive identity? For real numbers, what is going to be the additive identity? 0, right? So here also we are having, let me take Z is equal to 0 plus 0i is the additive identity for complex numbers. Okay. Now fifth is going to be additive inverse. Z1 अगर आपके पास A plus IB है, उसका additive inverse क्या होगा? Let me write like additive inverse. Additive inverse of Z1 is क्या होगा? बता दो. Can anyone tell? Minus A minus IB. Okay. Do you know why? While adding these two, you should get what? 0 plus 0i आपको मिलना चाहिए. Identity मिलना चाहिए. So for numbers 5, what is the additive inverse of 5? Minus 5. In addition, ना multiplicative inverse के लिए 5 का multiplicative inverse क्या होता है? 1 by 5. Because multiplication में 1 is the identity, right? Do you follow what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So additive inverse in this case is going to be minus A minus IB. Okay. Now let's, इसमें ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं है. Let's see the multiplication. वो कैसे करना? That is important here. Okay. Multiplication. Let me take Z1 is equal to, as usual, A plus IB. Let me take Z2 is equal to C plus ID. We are going to find out Z1 into Z2. That is A plus IB into C plus ID. This is just like your binomial multiplication. A into C is AC plus I into A into D is AD plus I into B into C is BC plus I into I is going to be I square. B into D is BD. So you know this is AC. Can we take from these two I common outside? So I can write this as AD plus BC. What is the value of I square? I square value क्या था? -1. याद है आपको?
Yes.
Define under root -1 I means I का square क्या होगा? -1. Clear? So here you can say I square is -1, so minus BD. The answer is AC minus BD. This is going to be a real part plus I into AD plus BC. This is going to be your imaginary part. Okay. Clear? This is actually the procedure. Now let's see some example. I'm taking Z1 equal to 3 minus 4i, Z2 equal to minus 3 plus 2i. Let's take Z1 into Z2. How I'm doing, you see, please. 3 minus 4i into minus 3 plus 2i. I know 3 into minus 3, if I multiply, I'm going to get a real part, right? 3 into minus 3, क्या होता है? Minus 9. At the same time, if I multiply these two, I get a real part. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 4 into 2 is minus 8. I into I is I square, which is minus 1. Minus 8 into minus 1, क्या हो जाएगा?
Plus 8.
Plus 8. Then plus I into, now I'll do like cross, these two. 3 2s are 6, minus into minus, plus 4 3s are 12. So the answer is minus 1 plus 18. I directly can do instead of showing all the steps. Let me take one more example. Z1 equal to minus 7 minus 4i and Z2 equal to minus 3 plus 7i. Okay? Now Z1 plus Z2 equal to, so minus 7 into minus 3 is going to be plus 21. These two you multiply, this is going to be minus, but again when minus comes, it will become plus. 4 7s are 28. Plus I only, I always write, you write plus 4i here and then you multiply. Minus 7 into plus 7, minus 49, minus into minus plus 12, right? So the answer is 21 plus 28 is going to be 49 plus I into, what is this difference? Is it going to be 37, right? So the
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
is minus 37. So you can write that as 49 minus 37i. That's it. Is there any difficulty in this part?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Multiplication, yeah. So like addition, we have here some properties that let's see one by one. Okay. Property number 1 is closure. You know, if you multiply two, one is closure as usual. Closure क्या होता है? Multiplication of two complex number is a complex number. That's it. Then commutative Z1 into Z2 obviously equal to Z2 into Z1. Third one is associativity. Z1 into Z2 into Z3 equal to Z1 into Z2 into Z3. ठीक है? हो गया? Now the fourth one is multiplicative identity. आपको पता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन का आइडेंटिटी क्या होता है? 1, right? So here it is going to be
1.
Z equal to 1 plus 0i is the multiplicative identity. That's it. Okay. Now the fifth point is very important point. We are going to find the inverse. Multiplicator. This is very important question. आपका 1 mark है, ध्यान से देख लें. Multiplicator inverse. Let Z1 equal to Z. Let us take Z is equal to A plus IB. Its inverse is denoted by Z power minus 1. Clear? हम इनवर्स ऐसे लिखते हैं ना?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Is nothing but 1 upon Z
Yes.
is nothing but 1 upon A plus IB. Right? Now you let me ask you one question. Is 1 upon A plus IB is a complex number? Of course, it's a complex number, but it is not in the general form, right?
Yes,
General
ma'am.
form क्या होता है? A plus IB form में होना चाहिए, denominator में नहीं होना चाहिए. So I'm going
Yes.
to bring it in the general form. So 1 upon A plus IB. So okay. Now you must have studied in your 9th standard, I guess, finding the rationalizing the denominator. याद है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The denominator में अगर 3 plus root 2 है तो 3 minus root 2 से multiply किया था आप लोग ने, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same is the case here. You have your 1 upon A plus IB है. We are going to bring it in the general form. So I'm going to multiply by A minus IB in numerator and denominator. Clear? So that is equal to A minus IB upon, if you multiply these two, real numbers में आपको पता है A plus B into A minus B क्या होता है? A square minus B square. Okay? But in complex number, A plus IB into A minus IB होगा A square plus B square. क्यों? I into I क्या होता है? I square, which is
It's square.
already एक minus है, तो minus into minus क्या हो जाएगा? Plus. So it's going to be
Plus.
A square plus B square. Clear? So this can be written in the general form as A upon A square plus B square minus I times B upon A square plus B square. It's very simple. If I give you example देख लो, if I give you 3 plus 4i का inverse find करो, you can write directly 3 minus 4i upon 3 square plus 4 square, which is going to be equal to 3 minus 4i upon 9 plus 16, which is 25. If I give you minus 3 minus 4i का inverse find करो, you'll have to write minus 3 plus 4i upon 3 square plus 4 square, which is going to be minus 3 plus 4i upon again 25. तो इसमें से क्या पता चल रहा है आपको? You have to just change the sign of the imaginary part only in the numerator, right? Upon real part ka square plus the imaginary part ka square. Okay. Now let me ask some people to answer this. Minus 5 minus I power minus 1 means iska inverse. Vidhan, can you tell me? Vidhan? Rina? Rina?
Yes, ma'am. Minus 5 plus I
Yes.
upon 5 square.
Plus 1 square, which is 20.
Yes.
अभी आप लोग फटाफट डायरेक्टली बोल सकते, ठीक है? विधान को समझ में आ रहा बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
You answer the question, हाँ?
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है विधान. Now you let me know minus 3 plus I power minus 1 यानी इसका इनवर्स. विधान बता दो बेटा.
किसका मैम?
minus 3 plus I का इनवर्स.
minus plus I
हाँ बेटा.
upon minus 3 plus I upon minus 3 whole square plus 1.
No बेटा, you are wrong. विधान. आदि.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer this question?
No, no.
क्या वो बच्चे? ठीक है, अब एक बार समझ लो. मैं वापस एक बार आपको समझा देती हूँ. आपको समझ नहीं आता तो इमीडिएटली पूछ लेना. हाँ देखो, हमने बताया था a प्लस आई बी का हमने क्या ढूंढने जा रहे थे? मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स, राइट? तो a प्लस आई बी का होगा a माइनस आई बी. दिस इज देखो a माइनस आई बी अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर. मैंने आपको क्या बोला था? इमेजिनरी पार्ट का क्या करने का? साइन चेंज करने का है. एंड रियल पार्ट का स्क्वायर प्लस इमेजिनरी पार्ट का स्क्वायर. दिस इज द इनवर्स. ओके, समझ में आया? प्रश्न आदि समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके. नाउ those who know raise your hand, I'll ask the question. आदि अभी आंसर कर सकते हो? Yes, Pritam.
हाँ मैम, बट थोड़े से और कर लेते।
Pritam, बोलो बेटा आंसर. Pritam,
-3 minus I upon 10.
very good. -3 minus I upon 10. Clear? Good.
Yes.
चलो अब समझ में आ गया ना आपको? So this is said to be multiplicative inverse. अब देखो, मैं अगर आपको z is equal to 1 upon I में दे दूं, ये जनरल फॉर्म में नहीं है, तो हमारा ड्यूटी ये है इसको I से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. So it is going to be I upon I square, which is going to be I upon -1. That's it, minus I. Clear? So you 1 upon I matlab it is minus I. So always remember this point. Complex number अगर आप लिख रहे हो, it should be in A plus IB form only. Clear? Next we are going to study one very important part, that is power of I. पावर ऑफ आई आपको शायद JW क्लास में पावर 4 में आपको बताएंगे, बट मैं 4 पे नहीं जाती हूँ, मैं तो 2 पे पढ़ाती हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो आई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू -1. दिस -1 बहुत अच्छा नंबर पता. -1 पावर ऑड होता है तो माइनस होता है, -1 पावर इवन होता है तो क्या होता है, +1 होता है. राइट? हाँ या ना? ये ऑड इवन में कोई भी नंबर आने दो, ये इन्फिनिटी तक ले लो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ऑड है वो -1 होगा, इवन है तो +1 होगा. दिस इज वेरी ब्यूटीफुल नंबर ना, -1. ये किसी और को ट्रू नहीं है, यानी -2 के लिए नहीं ले सकते, -3 के लिए नहीं ले सकते. यू कैन टेक ओनली फॉर -1. मान लो मैं पूछ रही हूँ I पावर 15, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ I पावर 15 को I स्क्वायर पावर 7, यानी 7 2 सर कितना होता है, 14. हाँ या ना?
Yes.
इनटू I कर सकते हैं. 2
Yes, ma'am.
14 + 1 is 15. अब देखो, मुझे कुछ नहीं देखना कि I स्क्वायर तो -1 होता है, ऑड है तो माइनस होता है. राइट? सो द आंसर इज -I. तो I पावर 15 is nothing but -I. सपोज मान लो I पावर 104. I पावर 104. How will I write? I स्क्वायर पावर
I.
कैसे लिखेंगे? 52.
2.
So 52 is even. So the answer is
I.
+1. 1. I स्क्वायर का वैल्यू तो 1 है ना बेटा.
Yes.
यहाँ पे इंटू I था इसलिए -I आया था. ठीक है, इसको मतलब -1 इंटू I लिख देता. ठीक है, यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली 1. किसी को दिक्कत? मान लो I पावर 27. I पावर 27. हाउ विल यू राइट? I स्क्वायर पावर 26 तक तो ले सकते हैं. 26 कितना होता है? 13. क्लियर?
Yes.
13 2 सर कितना होता है? 26 इंटू I is 27. हो गया?
-I.
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज ऑड -I. तो पहले देखो, फर्स्ट जो होगा I पावर 0 क्या होता है? ठीक है, पहले मैं ऐसे लिख देती हूँ. I पावर 0, I पावर 1, I पावर 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ऐसा जाने वाला है. I पावर 0 is 1, I पावर 1 is I square is -1, I cube is I square into I ना.
Minus I.
I square तो क्या होता है? -1 into
-I.
-I. क्लियर? अब ऑब्वियसली I पावर 4 तो क्या होगा? 1 नहीं होगा.
Yes.
I पावर 5 क्या होगा? I
-I.
-I ऐसा ही जाने वाला है. राइट? अब कभी भी ये कंसेक्यूटिव 4 नंबर दिया ना, कंसेक्यूटिव, हाँ कंसेक्यूटिव पावर आता है ना, 1 2 3 4 कुछ भी ले लो, या 0 1 2 3, मतलब कंसेक्यूटिव 4 लिया, उसका समेशन क्या होता है? क्या होता है?
0.
यस. अब इसका ऐड करेंगे तो भी आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 0 आ रहा है ना.
0.
मान लो मैं ऐसा दे रही हूँ, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ I पावर 101, I पावर 102 प्लस I पावर 103 प्लस I पावर 104. आपको इसको किसके ऐसा कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत नहीं. अरे ये 4 तो क्या है? कंसेक्यूटिव है. इट्स आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी 0. इज दिस क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
कंसेक्यूटिव पावर है 4 आपको मिल रहा है, तो उसका आंसर क्या होगा? 0 ही होगा। एंड दिस पावर ऑफ आई आप इस तरह से करना। अब देखो दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। 1 upon I power 35, क्लियर? 1 upon I power 35, इसका मतलब 1 upon I square power 17, 17 2 सर कितना होता है? 30
4.
into I, so this is going to be 1 upon odd है ना, minus I, clear?
minus
Actually 1 upon I power 35 is 1 upon minus, but is it in standard form यानी general form? No. तो मैं क्या करूंगी? I से multiply divide करूंगी, तो मुझे मिलेगा I upon minus I square, I upon I square का वैल्यू -1 है, into minus क्या हो जाएगा? +1, so the answer is I। आ रहा समझ में बात? Shall we try one more question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I power 57. Now, Vidan, you help me to find this, beta.
yes
बोलो बेटा। Okay, so now let's see conjugate and modulus. Conjugate z plus a, sorry, z is equal to a plus ib का conjugate will become z bar, which is a minus ib. Modulus of a complex number z is equal to a plus ib is given by under root a square plus b square. What is actually modulus? Distance of the complex number from the origin. Distance मतलब भी क्या आ जाता है? Under root. Distance between two coordinate a of x1 y1 b of x2 y2. How did you write the formula? Do you remember? Under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
मतलब distance always what? It's a non-negative real number. Non-negative मतलब क्या होता है? 0 and positive. So, okay. So modulus of a complex number is non-negative real number. Clear? मान लो ऐसा है, यहाँ पे एक, तो ये है, this is actually the modulus. This is actually mod z, right? कैसे मिला? If I draw the perpendicular, ये क्या हो गया? A, ये क्या हो गया? B. So this is actually by completing the by using the Pythagoras theorem, ये क्या होगा? Under root a square plus b square ही होगा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
z. मान लो यहाँ पे है, मान लो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? -a, b होगा, तभी mod z क्या होगा? a square plus b square ही होगा ना? अंडर रूट।
Yes, ma'am.
मान लो यहाँ पे है -a, -b, यहाँ पे है तो क्या होगा? a, -b, कुछ भी है। इन all these four cases, mod z is going to be under root a square plus b square only. -a का स्क्वायर भी तो a स्क्वायर ही है। Okay. The next is argon plane. जैसा आपने 2 डायमेंशनल ज्योमेट्री में कार्टेशियन प्लेन पढ़ा ना, कार्टेशियन प्लेन में क्या करते थे? कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री में इसको हम एक्स एक्सिस मानते थे, इसको हम वाई एक्सिस मानते थे, राइट? यस सर, बोलिए।
मैम आपका आवाज और वीडियो थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो रहा है।
ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. And coordinate geometry में you must have studied the Cartesian plane. This we take it as x-axis, the perpendicular one we have taken it as y-axis. अब बराबर आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So argon plane complex number में what we do? We take the x-axis as the real axis, and y-axis we take it as the imaginary axis. खास कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है? You must know this. और इसमें ऐसा नहीं क्वेश्चन पूछने वाले। तो आर्गन प्लेन में एक्स एक्सिस एक्चुअली क्या करते हैं? रियल एक्सिस, एंड वाई एक्सिस इज गोइंग टू बी इमेजिनरी। अगर कोई भी नंबर अगर मैं 4 + 3i if I write, so obviously you can say this is the point 4, 3, this is the complex number. If I'm saying -3 + 3i, -4 + 3i, it is going to be somewhere over here. minus 4 comma 3 like okay. So this is real part and this is imaginary part. किसी को दिक्कत इसमें?
No.
तो फिर आप इधर तक आप कर लो. So